If they have issue, they should have issue now. Because they are Yoruba, they are Iran boys of Yorubas. No, the Yorubas are Iran boy of the Fulani hegemony. I don't see Dangote as a Hausa. Dangote is a Fulani man. And Yoruba is always Iran to the Fulanis. So if they fight, they need it. Two of them, they needed to fight over that refinery. Because of course we know that Yoruba is boasting of being the best administrators. They are good on administrative. And we've seen a Yoruba that are the worst enemy of management, administration, building anything like establishment, production establishment. If you employ Yoruba man as the group managing director, such as establishment is down. It must swindle that establishment to comatose. So that's why we are seeing them not doing well in that aspect. Yet their media are writing nonsense. They write nonsense on the front page of newspaper. They are good in administration. They are good in liquidating companies. Production company can never try well on the hand of Yoruba man.
Just like landmark.
Which is why landmarks, they look at landmarks, they destroy landmarks. Now Dangote Refinery, the only operational refinery we have in the largest oil producing country in Africa. They are gone after that refinery.
Which will support.
They call themselves Lagos boys.
Yeah.
They are demanding $100 million from Dangote. The Lagos boys are the tinubu cabals. Forget them. Answering Lagos boys. Who are the Lagos boys? Those guys are tinubu's cabal at Aso. They are the ones that are following Dangote bomber to bomber. If you look at Southwest, we find out that they have never in history had anything like refinery in the Southwest. So that is the balance, the kind of platform they want to leverage on and do what? Snatch Dangote's refinery or liquidate it.
I was about to sell it.
I'm telling you, they are asking Dangote for $100 million. Where is the money? These are enemies of investors in Nigeria.
And it's frustrating.
Enemies of this, they are frustrating production in Nigeria. Have you had any production company that is stable, more stable than Dangote? Dangote manages his business well. So they have come in to frustrate him. Enemies of progress. The Lagos boys. Who are the Lagos boys? These are cabals surrounding Tinubu. They are the ones they are the ones that have caged Tinubu. Tinubu is in their middle. Before you could see Tinubu, you will break their protocol.
Ndume said so.
Yes. Ndume has said the truth. That's why they sanction him in the house. Dangote is a Fulani man. Tinubu is a Yoruba man. So they should fight. Who is fighting because of what is happening to Dangote?
But Dangote
man, not a Fulani man.
Peter Bias come and said that we should support the refinery,
because Peter B is an Igbo man now. Igbo man is doing well on production. We are very productive. We are not enemy of production. We grow business well. We are the giant entrepreneur you have in Africa, if not in the world. Yoruba man, is always like that. They are in the office with their ties. All they know is stealing money with biro. They like to steal with biro. Any company you hand over to them, they will liquidate it. Nigerians, we know. So any production company that is trying to do well in Tinubu regime, sorry is your name, he will come after you. Look at what he did to Ibeto. I mean Obasanjo from Southwest. He snatched monopoly to manufacture cement from Ibeto. Gave it to Fulani. What happened to Ibeto then? Ibeto slumped and died. Obasanjo killed Ibeto. He's a giant entrepreneur man. Yes, he's an entrepreneur, Ibeto. He was into production until his death. A Southwesterner, as Nigerian president, brought him down. He died. A Southwesterner from Southwest is trying to bring Dangote down. But I tell you that both Fulani and Yoruba, they are best of same feeder. Only that the other one is bloodier than the other. Yoruba doesn't kill human beings. Fulanis are blood drinkers. So if it happens that Tinubu fights Dangote, Dangote should fight back. Or his Fulani brothers should help him. Obi is talking trash. If you ask me, Obi should stay out of Dangote. Let Tinubu and Dangote battle it. Obi that is talking in favor about Dangote, has he forgotten who Mahmoud Yakub is? He's a Fulani man that brought him down. Yes, and that's, I mean, giving free mandates Nigerians gave to Obi, to Tinubu. Obi to stay clear. There's nothing Igbo man can do to help Yoruba, because Yoruba have never seen anything good on Igbo man. So this issue of that refinery being stagnated as a result of what cabals from Southwest are doing at Aso, it is uncalled for. It is not investment friendly. Allow people that are working hard to thrive, to reap the benefit of their hard labor. I'm an Igbo man. Dangote is not blocking me. Dangote is a Fulani. Where I have issue with Fulani is herdsmen, terrorism, jihadism, killing innocent people, using religion as an excuse. That's where I have issue with them. If Dangote has his company in the southeast, Igbo man will benefit. He doesn't, because of what? Religion. The religion by God to stop Dangote from having country in the southeast. So serve him well. That is well for him. Is enough not Bola Ahmed Tinubu? The same Islam, Muslim. Okay, that issue. If I ask me, I will tell Obi to forget about it. Simon,
what is the benefit?
Yes.
But what is their benefit? You know, to come out after Samuel Ekpa. What is their benefit? Because you are selfish interest. You know, you want to be loyal to Fulanis. You want to benefit all. You want to become, you know, you want to achieve your power. You want to be, you want to become a good Samaritan to Fulanis. You want to be the good Samaritan to Fulanis. That is the agenda. That's what Mba is clamoring for. That's what you know, the alarm that he's raising for. That is what you want to gain. At the end of the day, after you dance for them finish. You know, they will turn you as enemy. You can bet to us, Christian Sokorocha Hazard. After you dance, how you know how to dance for Fulanis? What is Okorocha today? Can Okorocha talk again? What of Joy Ibokwe? You hear Joy Ibokwe talk again?
That one still dey talk.
Because end of the because he's making us that time. But you hope say by miracle we'll give him you know, as usual. End of the day, what happened? Joy Ibokwe should come out and start a noise again. Making noise to favor, you know, Fulanis. What of Rotimi and Wish? What are them? When you dance for them, finish, end of the day, they will dump you. You can bet you go, you know, if he has power, let him go and sue Finland to court. And go and face Finland in the World Court. So that you know, you understand what is the rule of law, or what is the meaning of agitation, or what is the meaning of human rights, or what is the meaning of this is wrong and this is right. So that you understand that what is Samuel Ekpa is fighting for is absolutely right. It's absolutely right. Peter Mba is fighting for selfish interest. It's not fighting for himself or the Igbos. No. It's fighting for his own pocket and his family. And his political agenda. Ambition. That's what he's fighting for. So that Fulanis will like welcome him. That is a good Igbo man. What is their benefit? Where they are dancing for Fulanis. What is their benefit? What is the benefit of the Easterners? They call themselves a leader. And you see the wrong thing, you cannot say it out. You cannot open up and say, no, enough is enough. You cannot come out and raise a land. That is wrong. That is why I like the Enugu state, I mean, the state governor. He said, no, this is wrong. He come out and said, no, therefore the government, no, this is no, this is wrong, this is no, this is right. But those one are dancing because of what they want to gain. What is their benefit? When your brothers and sisters are languishing in hand of the enemies, Nigeria, come on Nigeria, your brothers and sisters does not recognize in Nigeria. These citizens do not recognize in anywhere in Nigeria, except those They are dancing for them. I saw them, they are dancing for them. Now you come out, you come now, and raising alarm because of you, because the Fulani to welcome you. Of course, I tell them, we have told them. Nigerians, if you cannot join them, if you cannot beat them, you join them. That's what they are doing. That's what Mputamba is doing. That's what he's doing. So let me tell you, all those things cannot give him, cannot brought any good thing to his pocket. He cannot brought any good achievement. Great Igbos are dying in the hand of Nigeria. Great Igbos are not want to refine in Nigeria. They do not recognize. The Nigerian government does not take Igbos along. They abandon the eastern part of the country. And you can buy what is in them, permit in there, making noise. Because what you want to gain. And where you come from is like a desert. Where you come from is like a desert. And they took what belong to you, you know, to put their own region in order. You are there fighting for your own pocket. In name of your fighting for Igbos. To hell. To hell with them. To hell with the so-called the Fulani governors in the east. To hell with them. I challenge you, let you go and sue the Finland. Let you go, sue the Finland. Or they don't think that the Finland is like Kenya or Britain. That is a betrayer. Finland is not a betrayer. They know what is stake. They know the right, what is good and what is wrong. They know the meaning of leadership. They know the meaning of agitation. Because they understand the cause that some of the party is fighting for. No, nothing back, go and feel that, I mean, to challenge them, to sue the Finland to court. I'm going to challenge Finland in court. So that you will see another side of Finland. And at the end of the day, he will carry shame and come back to Fulanis. Because they call them Fulanis leaders. Fulani, you know, servants. I call them Fulani servants. That's what they are. I don't call them my leader. They're not my leader. Because they're not there for me. They're only there for their own children and the so-called political ambition. That's what they're there for. They don't care where they come from. They don't care whether the people are suffering in the hand of Nigeria or the people are killing in the hand of the enemy, called Nigerians. There are people that are not organized in Nigeria. Then you are against agitation. Of course, you are benefiting a lot. You are eating. You don't like anything. You don't like. That's why they cannot come out and say the truth. That's why you see them. They can never come out and say the truth. Always beating around the bush. Always support evil. And they will say them, say no. What you will need is Biafra. We want to start as a nation. We want to stand as a nation. That is what we are clamoring for. And that is our agenda. Because they are benefiting from Nigeria, they don't care what is happening to their own people. Or for their land. Peter, let me ask you, is there any federal infrastructure in the East? Make you tell me a single one. Any federal project in the East after Nigeria Biafra war? You call them the so-called you people call yourself governors. What do you people have achieved in the region? Can't you people pass a motion? Force the federal government to do something in the East? I have told them Nigeria is still breathing today because of Easterners. Because Nigeria is already buried. What it means is to cement Nigeria. To cement up. It's already buried. Nigeria is gone. Nothing to show that this country is going to better again. Nothing to show. Hence we see shouting one Nigeria, one Nigeria. Where people are dying. When you don't have freedom in your land, you don't have rights in your land. Why the rights belong to some ethnic? And you say we are one. So Petamba should continue serving in Fulanis. Let him go and assume some American. Or sue the Finland. Let him go challenge Finland in work out. End of the day, I think who took disgrace, pack it to Fulanis. Yes, you will pack disgrace to Fulanis. That is it. As long as you say we don't have leader, the Easterners don't have leader. And when you tell me about leader, if you tell me about leader in the eastern part of the country, you mention Lesotho, I will listen to you. Someone else will listen to you. Mazen Nadikan, I will listen to you. Yes. Those who are called leaders in the east. So-called leaders, the worst. The worst. But at the end of the day, I told him, he can never eat the cake and still have it. Whatever goes around always goes around. When you open your eye and see your people dying, Fulani take over your land, killing your people, killing your brothers and sisters, your youth, and you are happy because of your power. You sit to see that you are the seat of power. You don't care about what is going on. The wrong thing that is happening in your land, they don't care. Because of what you are getting, because it's, I mean, Fulani court that put you there. You have your service continue, that's it for them. End of the day, let me tell them, monkey will go market. To return back, no problem. It's problem to them. To come back. To return back is a problem for them. So let me round up.
Okay.
Pitamba, she withdraw anything concerned because I don't believe that they are Biafra. They don't. We don't recognize them as a Biafra. They are Fulanis. So let him continue, serving his Fulanis. They are not there for us. Let them continue serving their Fulanis. On the Biafra stand, on Biafra cause. Whether they will be at the Biafraland or the Fulani land. Let them continue the evil they are creating in that region. Let them continue. That's it for Fulani. But God will surely judge them. When they see what is happening, what is going on, they will cover up. One day, it will hit them. One day, it will hit them. At the end of the day, nobody will come to rescue them. Thank you very much.